In today's video, I'll show you how to request a price adjustment on the Temu mobile app after you've already made a purchase. Let's get started. First, open the Temu app on your phone and make sure you're logged in. Tap on the U tab at the bottom, then tap your orders to view your recent purchases. Find the item you want a price adjustment for and tap on it to open the details page. Next, scroll to the bottom of the details page. Here, you'll see the price adjustment option. Simply tap on it. Unfortunately, on the item I selected, this option isn't available. This happens because Temu does not offer the price adjustment feature on all products. But if you're eligible, tap the Request a Price Adjustment button and submit your request. Once Temu approves it, the price difference will be credited back to your Temu balance. That's it. If this video helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.